Political Palestinians Prisoners Day, standing in solidarity with our brothers and sisters incarcerated in Israeli jails who have launched, 1,500 of whom have launched a hunger strike for liberation, dignity, and freedom. Today we also come here demanding the end of Palestinian Authority collaboration and coordination with Israel. Today also marks 40 days since the assassination of Bassel al-A'raj. Many of whom here today knew him personally, many knew his writings, many knew his political thought. Bassel was a well-known Palestinian activist who was assassinated by the Israeli occupying army. On the 12th of March, protesters in Ramallah, including Martyr Bassel's father, were attacked by the US-trained and Israeli armed police forces of the Palestinian Authority. As Bassel's mother said, and here I quote, "The PA does not want people who say no, it wants people who submit to it and accept the oppression we live under. We are here to say that we will not accept that repression. We will not accept to live under oppression. We will not accept those who collaborate with the Zionist regime. Our people have struggled for far too long for us to stand idle while repressive leaders barter our oppression and dispossession for their personal gains. For a century, we have fought for freedom from colonialism. For 70 years, we have fought for liberation and return in the face of our expulsion and the creation of a racist colonial regime on our homeland. For 50 years, we have resisted that regime's expansion. We are approaching 30 years since the Oslo Accords that transformed what remained of our land into open-air prison administrated by unrepresentative Palestinian Authority officials who have hired themselves out to be our colonizers' first line of defense. It was Bassel's part in this fight that made him a target. It was this that makes his assassination an assault on all of those who strive for freedom and dignity. Bassel embodied the revolutionary politics for which he fought. His refusal to surrender to the colonial regime, one that mirrored countless others who lost their lives for the cause of freedom and justice, only renews our collective determination to struggle for liberation and return. The Oslo regime does not represent us. Now is the time for us to come together and rebuild our collective struggle for liberation for all of Palestine. No to security coordination with the colonial regime. Yes to people's struggle. We will not allow the blood of our martyred sisters and brothers to be shed in vain. Freedom to all our political prisoners. Freedom for Palestine. Thank you.